Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I am going to show you how we can set up free plus shipping funnel in GoHighLevel and using one-step order form. Okay, so you can see in my screen I have a order form where I have a book which is actually a free book that I want to give away, and I want to charge only the shipping fee. Okay, so this type of funnel is appropriate when you have some kind of physical product that you want to give away for free, but you want to charge only the shipping cost, okay, for the domestic country as well as the international country. Okay, so let me show you the demonstration first. Here in this page, okay, I have the order form and the shipping information at the very first step. So once someone land on the page, okay, the checkout page, then they will see the product is free, the order summary also showing free. Okay, so once they complete their information input inside the shipping form, okay, the shipping address actually, and then select the country, then it will appear that if they select the domestic country that you already set, and or if they select any other country, that will consider as international country. So let me select the United States, which I already set as domestic country, and then you can see here now the book is showing free, and it also showing that the domestic shipping fee is $7. Okay, so and also the order summary is also showing $7. And in case if I select any other country, like let's say for UK, then it will show the international shipping fee. Okay, so this way this funnel actually works. Okay, so let me show you step by step how we can set this up. Okay, so you will get this code snippet into our GHL code snippets library. Okay, so if you're not the member already inside our GHL code snippets library, then you can join, you can register your account. And one more thing I want to mention, this code snippets is part of our premium code snippets. Okay, but in our library we also have free code snippets. If you are not premium member, then you can also get a lot of different free code snippets and other tools you can use from here. Okay, so let's say how we can set up the free plus shipping. Okay, so here just go to the product pricing and order form section, and from here you will see I set up a free plus shipping funnel for one-step order form. Okay, so we also have a one-step and two-step order form, different code. Okay, so just click here get code button, and then you need to configure your free plus shipping code snippets here. Okay, so let me do step by step. So first of all, we need to have our default product ID as well as the domestic shipping product ID, international shipping product ID. Okay, so inside your GoHighLevel, when you create the checkout page, then you need to add product here, okay, into the product tab. So make sure that you edit your main product here, and the trick is, let me show you, when you click create product inside GoHighLevel, you cannot create a free product. You need to at least add $1 price for the product. Okay, so when you create the product, then add $1 as the product price, or anything you want, but recommended is $1, and then we will adjust the shipping price with that. Okay, so once you create the product, and after when you select here inside the funnel, then make sure that you override the product price here as free. Okay, because when we check the page, you can see here my amazing book, which is our product, and it's showing the price is free. So you need to set this here for free. Okay, and then just do it, and then select other product like your domestic shipping product and also your international shipping product. And so if your domestic shipping price is $7, then make your main product is $1 and domestic shipping is $6, so total will be $7. But in case if your international or domestic shipping price is different, then you need to adjust this way. Okay, so just add your main product price as $1 and adjust the domestic or international shipping price as you need. Okay, so it can be $9. If it can be $9 if you want to set, then you should set the domestic shipping price is $8. If your international shipping is $19, then you need to set your international shipping product price is $18. Okay, because we will add this $1 with the price of your domestic or international shipping. Okay, so once you set this product, then grab the product ID. Okay, let's say for the main product ID. Okay, just copy this and go back to your GHL Code Snippets library and add your main product ID here. This will be pre-selected if you have multiple product. Okay, so that's why you need to put your default product ID here, and then get the domestic shipping product ID, and then put it here, domestic shipping product ID. Then just get the international shipping product ID, just copy this and put it here. Okay, and again one more thing you can see here, even though inside our GoHighLevel product we have three different product, like our main product, domestic shipping product, as well as the international shipping product, but in our page, okay, when someone visit the page, then they will see only one product. So we need to hide the international shipping and domestic shipping product from the page. So that's why we need to copy the domestic shipping product ID, okay, and paste it here, and make sure that you just delete the first digit from your product ID. Okay, and also do the same thing for international shipping product. Okay, I think I added the domestic product here. Okay, and put the international shipping product ID here, and again make sure you remove the first digit of your product ID. Okay, because these two product ID will use to hide the international and domestic shipping product from the checkout page. Okay, so after that you need to get the order from CSS selector. Okay, so just go back to your page editor like this. Okay, just here select the checkout form. Okay, and then go to the advanced tab. You will get the CSS selector here. Okay, just copy this CSS selector and go back to your GHL Code Snippets library configuration page, then paste it here, and make sure you only need the very last part of your CSS selector. Okay, so by default when you select the CSS selector or copy this from the checkout page, then you will get like this #1 step order your ID. Okay, so just remove this part and just keep the ID. Okay, we only need this to make the code snippet work. Okay, so after that select the domestic country. Okay, from this drop down. In this case I am going to keep United States as my domestic country, and then just put your product price here. Okay, so the main product price, so as we set this for $1, we need to put it here, and then inside the order summary you can see we have the product price is free. So you need to put the text that you want. It can be free or whatever you want to say. Okay, in this demonstration I am going to keep it free, and then put the domestic shipping product price. Okay, so this is the original domestic shipping product price, and the code will adjust and show the price. Okay, like let's say for this example we have the main product with $1 price and the domestic shipping is $6, so total will be $7. Then put that value here. Okay, the $7 which is displayed in order summary. The same way you need to do this for international shipping. Okay, just put the international shipping price that you set inside your GoHighLevel, and then the total order summary price. Okay, like this. Okay, so $1 is main product and $18 is international shipping, so total will be $19. Okay, so it can be any price, but the code will adjust automatically. You just need to put the value that you set inside your GoHighLevel. Okay, so once you're done with all this setup, all you just need to select the domain from this drop down. Okay, so when you click here, it will show all available domain you added inside GHL Code Snippets library. Even if you don't have any domain added yet, all you just need to go to the domain tab. Okay, then you will add the domain there, and once you come back to the page, okay, this configuration page, you will see your domain is here when you click this drop down. Okay, so in this case I'm going to select this GHL okay. And one more thing, you must need to just use the exact same domain where you want to install this code snippets. Okay, so once you select the domain, then it will automatically generate your code. Okay, so you can copy the code by clicking this button or this button. Okay, let me copy this, and then I will go back to the editor, okay, and add this custom HTML and JavaScript element from here. Let me show, yeah, in this one, add this, and then open this editor. I have added the code. Let me delete this. Okay, so I am going to paste the new code that I just copied. Okay, so then save it, and you can see here the domain where I installed the code, GHL this domain is exactly same as the domain I selected from here. Okay, so this is must need to match, otherwise this code will not work. Okay, so once done, then publish the page by clicking this button and then visit the page. Okay, so now you can see when the page load, the product price is showing for free. And if I select the country, let's say we set the United States as our domestic country, when I select this, it will show the domestic shipping price is $7, order summary is also $7. And if I select any other country, okay, then it will be showing my international shipping price. Okay, so this is how it will actually works. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this helpful, then feel free to like, share and comment this video, and also you will get the link to join our GHL Code Snippets library below this video inside the description.